Welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can install pip on your Mac. Okay, so quickly let's open the terminal and let me enlarge that so we can see clearly. Okay, now we are going to type in the following commands to install pip. Now the reason why we are doing that is because we are going to need pip for installation of certain Python libraries. Okay, so first of all, let's go with this command. Now I'm going to leave all these commands in the video description box so you can check that out. Okay, so this is the first command to type, and you hit enter. Just copy from the description box, paste it in your terminal and hit enter. Alright, so I have that installed already, so nothing is going to run. Now after doing that, you type in python 3 space get-pip.py. okay, so this is also provided in the video description box. Hit that and it's going to install Python pip for you. So it's collecting pip. Successfully installed pip 21.24. okay, now to check if pip is installed correctly, type pip-v and you get the version. Let's do again. Let me clear this. Do pip-v version. Alright, so we have pip installed on our MacBook laptop, and we can now import some Python frameworks using pip. Alright, I'm going to keep this video short. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.